Hello everyone. What a week we have ahead of us. First, there was a downgrade of the UK on Friday, which the market is still absorbing. Then there's the result of the Italian election, which we'll get later today. We have the testimony formerly known as Humphrey Hawkins on Tuesday and Wednesday, and the rest of the global purchasing managers indices on Thursday and Friday. Sometime during the week, we may get to learn who the nominee for the Bank of Japan governor is. Then on Friday, it's sequestration. All very exciting. For the UK, the market was expecting the country to be downgraded, but perhaps not quite yet. Nonetheless, Moody's comments about how Britain's sluggish growth will make it difficult to implement austerity really crystallized and validated fears about the UK that the market already had, and in that respect, it reminded people of what they already knew. That may cause them to act on this knowledge again. I expect the pound to weaken further as a result to around 150. As for the euro, the Italian election is shaping up to be a major obstacle. If former Prime Minister Monti comes in a humiliating fourth, as is expected, behind even a former comedian with no real platform, I'm referring here to Mr. Grillo, not to Mr. Berlusconi, although the description may well fit both of them, the result would show that Italians solidly reject the austerity and reform program being pushed by Germany. So, what would the Germans do in that case? The ECB has pledged to do everything necessary to hold the euro together, but what if one of the countries involved refuses to go along with the script as written in Bonn? That may encourage the markets to test the strength of the ECB's pledge and test the limits of Germany's patience. While euro-dollar has been headed higher this morning, there's trendline resistance at 132.55 and strong resistance around 133 to 133.20. I expect it to turn around, and I see 131.16 as a possible target. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at INFX, wishing you solid trading.